Hi, it's Christina here with Bespeak English Coaching and your idiom of the day. Today's idiom is another one with the verb to cut corners. Let's see if you can place it based on this example. A few weeks ago, my friend's son built a new porch in their backyard, but he must have cut corners because the whole thing collapsed this morning. Oh, what a nightmare. So to cut corners is to do a job improperly in order to get it done with less effort. So usually this means that a job is done in the easiest and cheapest way possible, which, yes, saves time and money in the short term, but results in a poor finished product, just like my friend's collapsed porch. It's going to take them a lot of time and money to fix it, right? To rebuild it. So you'll probably hear this idiom in the workplace, right? Time is money, of course. And this is what that might sound like. Sophie's boss told her to not cut corners on this project. It's very important, so it has to be done thoroughly, no matter the time or cost. Well, as you can tell, cutting corners almost always results in a loss of product quality in the end. So it's definitely not something you want to be caught doing, right? This is not the time to cut to the chase. So the phrase to cut corners is actually a reference to the act of rounding or turning a corner in a car as closely as possible, right? So this action shortens the distance it takes to travel around a corner and saves just a little bit of time and energy. But I don't always advise trying that unless you're Jason Bourne. So to use it, just remember that to cut is the verb again and conjugate it accordingly, right? So that's pretty easy. Well, here at Bespeak, we advise you to avoid cutting corners when it comes to improving your English, right? So keep up with our idiom series, keep up with building your vocabulary a little bit each day, and remember, you can always sign up for a bundle of one-on-one coaching sessions with our coaches. They are the best. I'll see you next time.